it's just hard for me to do vlogs. I want to keep my personal life private. I'll vlog what I think that I can share or should share.
Got a knock on my hip when I head out. You can't bleed on this block if you bail out. Out of state, I might ride on that Greyhound. I just crashed up the Honda and head out. Left the scene on the beam for my mental. All these Benjis, I'm focused on dead guy.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Medyo tagal ko nakabalik talaga sa totoong vlog. For those that have seen my previous videos, bali mga previous videos ko talaga yan, I wasn't able to really vlog na actual vlogging or live vlogging. Those are my previous vlogs na na-delete or dinelete ko sa previous channel ko. Pasensya na doon sa mga ibang videos na hindi ko na maibalik. That was really memorable sa akin, pero due to some unforeseen circumstances back in 2022, I had to steer away muna sa media. In other words, I have to steer away muna sa social media, kaya napahinto ang mag-vlog. Nagpa-vlog din ako pero mga late upload na, just because of things that happened in 2022, and I'm slowly getting back up again, pero hirap ako just because of I've been away from the public's eyes for almost 2 years and a half, and parang natatakot ako bumalik sa pagbablog just because yung mga bashers and mga taong nanira sa akin, natatakot ako. To those na kilala talaga ako, I can honestly say is that I'm a true person. People that really knows me kung sino talaga ako. And kaya ako nahihirapan mag-vlog, and I'm trying really hard magkaroon ng lakas ng loob na mag-vlog ulit. So here I am, I'm slowly trying to monetize my channel. Just because the fact that it helps out in little ways. Kaya for those that are watching this now for the first time, I do highly suggest that you subscribe and watch the videos. Kailangan ko pa ng 4,000 watch hours. Tulong ninyo, hopefully ma-achieve ko, hopefully soon. But the mere fact that I am slowly trying to vlog and have the courage to go on camera again, this time around I'd like to keep my family private. If magbablog man ako, it's all about not having any family members on the video, to respect their privacy. At the same time, para din hindi sila criticize sa mata ng publiko. I'm really proud of my family, especially my 2 sons. Probably you see in the videos na promote yung second son ko to a staff sergeant. So parehas na silang kuya niya. Ever since then, I didn't really vlog. Ang nangyari lang sa footage is just a short clip na during his awarding. Bilang proud father, I shared it kasi I'm really proud of my son and my daughters. They've really gone a long way, especially the 2 years that I've been away from them. They really did me proud on how well they took care of their mom without me being present. And mahirap mawalay sa pamilya. Mahirap di makita na matagal na panahon. And I just have to suck it up and face the facts na I have to do it for the sake of their safety and security, and for the safety ng lahat, pati mga kaibigan ko. I don't go out anymore. I tend to be less in public just because the fact that takot pa rin ako kasi if you guys na subaybayan nyo ako, ayoko magbuhat ng sariling bangko, but at the same time, based on what I saw when I had, let's just say, the public's eyes on me, masyadong exposed not only my personal life but also personal life ng pamilya ko. And that's the fact that I thought back then was okay. No? Okay siya kasi nga it gains views kasi reality. But then at the same time, parang I didn't respect my family, I didn't respect my kids, my wife. I didn't respect the privacy that they needed till 2022 happened, when, to be honest, my life was threatened. It was threatened to the point that I have to technically be out of public's eyes. And even up to now, I feel like it's still threatened. Kahit sa mga tao na tinetreat ako, I try to make peace with them, and they still threaten. But I've moved on with that. Gaya ng mga nakita niyo sa previous vlog ko na when I did a lot of church visits, I did a lot of contemplating, I did meditation, and kinausap ko ang mahal na ina. From then on, I've been really focused on my spirituality, meaning mga bagay na hindi ko kaya kontrolin o hawakan, just let it go. Just the mere fact that bahala na ang mahal na ina to control everything. And I said this and I say it all over again, I give my life up to sa mahal na ina just because of the fact that she knows better what's best for me. Saan niya dadalhin ang buhay ko, buhay ng pamilya ko, I'll go with it. And whatever happens, I'm sure it does happen for a reason. And hindi lang basta-basta magaganap ang mga bagay-bagay na hindi kagustuhan ng Diyos. You know, this vlog na ginawa ko ngayon, supposed to be short and simple lang, na papaalam ko lang sa inyo bakit ako hindi nagpa-vlog. But then, a lot of things came to mind na agad-agad now. What I think that everybody should know, na nasubaybayin ako noong mga panahon na nasa publiko ako, sa mata ng publiko. Kasama ko mga celebrities, kasama ko yung mga, let's say, mga celebrities that I helped, celebrities that helped me at the same time. Ang celebrities is just like people around us. There's good and bad. There's people that are courteous, there's people that mapag-take advantage. But I'm not here to judge or place judgment sa mga taong yun. It's up to mahal na ina na to place a judgment on them, on how well they treat others. Not only me, but others. Kasi deep inside, alam nilang katotohanan. I'm pretty sure, syempre, Diyos pa, diba? You can't hide anything from her. Moving forward, I'm gonna try to do a vlog every now and then. It's just hard for me to do vlogs kasi like I said, ayokong masama sa pagbablog ko ang pamilya ko. I want to keep them private. I want to keep my personal life private. Well, I'll vlog. Vlog ko, I guess I'll vlog what I think that I can share or should share. There's a lot of things that I shouldn't have. I disregarded advice ng family ko about vlogging, about keeping the limitations. And honestly, ang pagbablog, to be honest, syempre marami kayong napapanood ng mga vlogs, mga vloggers, and it's all about views. Alam niyo naman, it's all about views. So they're gonna vlog something na sa tingin nila will attract subscribers or viewers para mag-generate ng watch hours. And I think from now on, that's what I'm gonna be doing kasi it's hard to vlog na too personally, you know, kasi you have to put a limitation. You have to have a curtain between your personal life and your public life. Syempre, sa labas you have to show respect with others. You have to show pakikipagkapwa tao. And that's what I've learned being kumbaga being one with my spirituality na sa panahon ngayon, sa edad ko ngayon, it's not all about buying things. It's not all about all these material things that we have around us. It's all about pakikipagkapwa-tao when it comes down to the bottom line. We have to be considerate of others. Kahit yung iba ay hindi considerate of us. Basta't alam natin deep inside, we're considerate and we respect them. More and more I think about life. And the life as it goes now at my age, life to me is all about just living it the last. I want to enjoy my life. I want to laugh with my kids. I want to be able to still hug them. I want to be able to say I love you, go out with them and enjoy the moments with them. Bottom line is I really want to enjoy my life. Ayoko maging stressful about work. Ayoko maging stressful sa mga anak ko. Especially now, 3 of them are pretty much grown up. 2 are married. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko is, whatever goes on in their lives, as long as alam nila na I'm there always by their sides and they're welcome to approach me and get my advice, yun lang mahalaga sa akin. And I got here through struggles, through many trials, but I never lost faith. Hindi nawala sa akin ang pananampalataya sa Panginoon, and that's always been a center, or always has been a center ng family ko. And to testify to that are my close friends, so kapatid ko sa pananampalataya, those are my only closest friends. And there is one close friend that really have that stuck with us through thick and thin, and I'm not gonna mention her name, she already knows that. And no matter how far we are, no matter hindi masyado nag-communicate, but we know we're friends. We're best of friends. She's the only one who actually stuck with us through thick and thin. Because sa totoo lang, di naman kami fake na tao, hindi kami plastic. We're true to those people that are true to us. But anyways, I think this vlog is long enough. Sana natin pagpatuloy. I just want to say to you guys na thank you for those that na sumabaybay sa akin up to now at never lost interest. No? I don't know if tamang word yun, interest, but to those that still believed in me and want me to succeed sa pag-vlog, I'll try. Pero I like to thank all of you guys na nanatiling sumubaybay at susubaybay. Having you guys watch this vlog really means a lot to me. But I hope that I can bring you guys many more vlogs. Dito na lang. And hope you guys have a great day, evening, morning, kung saan man kayo dako ng mundo naroon at pinapanood to. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Got a knock on my hip when I head out. You can't bleed on this block if you bail out. Out of state, I might ride on that Greyhound. I just crashed up the Honda and head out. Left the scene on the beam for my mental. All these Benjis, I'm focused on dead guys. I'm a king in this bitch, Sacramento. All my ops, I'm gon' turn them to dead guys. Drippin' red in the feet, get in motion. New stilettos on your feet, Range Rover. Take care of yourself, bend it over. Make it clap in this bitch, bands only. Look, wait, let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Look, wait, let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. You better move out my way when I walk out. 100 racks in my pocket, no talk about. Look, wait, let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Now you can bring a friend along. I got some reds for you, we gon' party all night long. We gon' dance cause the black car got no limit. I buy them all, baby, Louis V, unheard mess. And go y'all crazy, y'all crazy. Bottles on bottles, just watch these bitches start bugging. That whole What's her name, nigga? Look, it don't even matter, she for the game, nigga. with some bands, nigga. Look, wait, let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Look, wait, let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Better move out my way when I walk out. 100 racks in my pocket, no talk about. Look, wait, let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy. Let's keep it classy.